Hey, I'm going to show you the easiest way to make a quality animated video. You don't even need a storyboard. But first, watch this example.
Oh no, this fly thinks it can mess with my kitchen?
Yes, gotcha! Kitchen saved! You've got to be kidding me. Cool, right? And the best part is, I made it in a different way than I made any of my other videos. So let me explain. To start, I used an image that I created in Midjourney. And for those that don't know, I have a great Midjourney course. Please go check it out. That said, I took that image and I dropped it into Higgsfield, and I asked for a reference sheet of the kitchen, and then I asked for a separate reference sheet of just the character. I had to remove my character from one of the images to get the reference sheet of just the kitchen. You may or may not have to do this step. If you don't have a Higgsfield account, that's okay. You could just do this inside of Google or in ChatGPT, because those are the models that I use to generate my images. I believe both of these platforms still have free tier options. Now comes the best part, creating your story. I already had this idea, and this is what I wrote. Make a 15-second story about a girl trying to attack a fly in her kitchen, but she can't get the fly, and the fly is causing chaos, so she is destroying her kitchen. Then she gets the fly to go out a window and celebrates, only for 2 new flies to come back into the kitchen. She gets upset. This is for a Seedance video. That's everything I wrote. I then took that same prompt and I pasted it inside of Claude, Gemini, Grok, and ChatGPT. As of the making of this video, all these platforms have a free tier, and you can use your chat feature to get a free script. I then went back to Higgsfield, and using Seedance 2.0, I pasted in my script and my 4 reference images. I did this with each one of the different scripts. Here are the different variations that I got from each one of my scripts, unedited. First up, Claude. Yes! Now, Gemini. Now, Grok.
This fly thinks it can mess with my kitchen?
Kitchen saved!
You've gotta be kidding me.
And finally, ChatGPT.
Oh no.
Now, as you can see, none of them are perfect, but that's the trick. Instead, take all of them, put them in your video editing platform, and combine them together and pick your favorite shots. And that's exactly what I did. So when you watch my video, you can see I took a little bit from each one of these different models, combined them together, and created my video. And I was able to do all this without any storyboard. And it gave a real unique and original feel to my video compared to a lot of other videos I've seen out there. It also cost me much less because I didn't have to generate nearly as many images. And for the most part, I was using nothing but free platforms except for Midjourney and Seedream, obviously. So that all said, there obviously wasn't a lot of dialogue here. It wasn't a real complex script, so I can see that this approach may not always work for every situation, but if you're trying to just get started, maybe try something like this and see how it goes for you. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you guys got some value out of this. I hope it was helpful, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!